2012 Ford F-250 crew cab short bed Lariat with the 6.7 Powerstroke turbo diesel. Here is a sweet truck, folks. This is a really nice 12 F-250. It's in exceptional shape. It came out of Oklahoma, so it's very clean all the way around and underneath. Runs and drives absolutely fantastic. It's been nicely upgraded with everything that people want in their diesel truck and F-250s. It's nicely equipped with a Lariat package, and body and interior just in much above average condition. I'm just going to do a quick video walk around of this particular one, show you the ins and outs of it, just exactly what this one is, show you the blemishes, and just go all the way through. This particular one is the ingot silver or silver color. Very nice metallic silver. Very sharp out here in sunshine. Moving up here to the front, it's still in great shape. It's in nice shape. It's not peeling or bubbling. The headlights are in good shape. They don't show any oxidation or discoloration, really. The bumper here on the front is in good shape. We have one little dent on this driver's side. It's not too bad at the bumper. On the passenger side, there is one little dent and scuff right here, but that could probably be pushed out, and since it's in the bumper, it's not any big deal. That's about the worst spot on the whole truck. Coming down this passenger side, just really fantastic shape. We have one small little scratch right here that would touch up no problem, or might even just buff out. It's not into the paint. Coming down the rest of the truck, it's in good shape. It's sitting on basically brand new, or they are brand new, Yokohama Geolander tires. Very high quality tire. These are 35-inch tall tires, so very meaty and beefy tire. Very capable for the truck of this size. Really make it look sharp. The hood and top end on this truck are all in good shape. It doesn't have any pale. It does have one little scratch right here, if I can point it out, but it's not too bad and it would touch up fine. Sorry about the wind today. Coming down the driver's side here, once again, just exceptional shape. We have one small little scratch right here. One small scratch right here. Just really great shape. Does not show its age or mileage at all. Once again, the rest of the tires here, great shape. This has had upgraded TorqShift 2.0 shocks on it. Really improved the ride on this truck. Very high quality shocks. I'm not sure how much they'd be, but I'm sure they're hundreds, if not over $1,000 to do a job like that. And really a great upgrade there. The mirrors are all in good shape. They don't show any wear or cracks or anything like that. These are powerful telescoping mirrors. Going to the rear bumper and area. Super nice upgraded RanchHand diamond plated steel bumper with LED reverse lights that come on when you're backing out, so it gives you lots of good visibility. Very nice high quality piece of steel there. You're not going to have to worry about people backing into you or you backing into stuff, because it's going to always have the upper hand. You've got a piece of metal like that. Looking at the bed, it does have a spray and bed liner. It's in great shape. And then this does not have any gooseneck or fifth wheel equipment on it. So, you know this truck hasn't been doing a lot of heavy towing or heavy use. It's just been used at most just with the bumper towing, and for one of these trucks that's absolutely nothing. These are extremely capable, and you know, having something on the bumper or a regular 2-inch ball is like cake for one of these. So go ahead and take a look inside here. This does have the black leather interior. Of course, all power locks and windows. Once again, your power mirrors, so your power telescoping and fold-in feature. This does have WeatherTech full coverage floor mats, so it's kept the carpets underneath brand new. Looks like A few little crumbs here and there, but other than that, the condition and quality is still in great shape. The seats and interior are in really, really great shape. You know, a little bit of light creasing on this edge, but that's normal for a truck like this, and the rest of the seat is in just great shape. Nice perforated leather. All of your steering wheel controls and cruise control buttons here. One nice kind of fun upgrade is this has got one of those steering knob, or steering knobs, I guess is just what they're called. And I mean, they're not very expensive, but it's kind of a nice thing. Really makes handling this truck easier in a parking lot and stuff. Of course, you could take it off. It just got the one screw there, but I'll probably just leave it on because somebody might appreciate it, and it came with the truck. So, of course, a clean and clear dash. Let me clear out that message. You know, nothing crazy going on. Everything right in the zone. Just really runs down the road. Very strong. Fantastic. Shifts strong. Very, very nicely upgraded and taken care of. I'll do a quick key cycle here. Put it on. Yeah, just really, really runs great. 178,000 miles, but for one of these 6.7s, that's nothing. I mean, this is a very, very good, well-built engine. Ford did a fantastic job with it, and by condition, you can tell it's been a lot of highway mileage. It's been well taken care of. Your AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth radio there. You can talk on the phone, do all that. Dual automatic climate controls. Your factory trailer brake with these 4 Ford upfitter switches. So those are super nice feature that you can optionally get on Super Duties and Ford products. Basically what it is, it's got wiring under the hood and under the dash that you can splice into, and then you basically have a built-in auxiliary switch. So right now these aren't hooked up to anything, but you could hook up a winch or light bar or something aftermarket, and then on the dash already built in, you just flip the switch and you're good to go. So your 4-wheel drive controls there. Of course, that's all functional. It does have a power sliding rear glass, and that works, of course. Dash is all in good shape. Yeah, clearly just somebody who took some real pride of ownership in their truck. Very, very nice shape. It shows a little bit of some light scratches here on this cup holder area. That's super common on this generation Ford F-250 and 350 platform. I see that a lot. I don't know if it's just a build or the stain that they use, but it just wears off after time. So air conditioning's ice cold, the heat works. Just like I said, really, really ready to go and stand up on the inside, as you've seen the outside is as well. We'll go ahead and look at the back seat here. It's in great shape. Doesn't show a lot of wear. Once again, your WeatherTech floor mat back here. Under seat storage, that's nice. Power plug and vents for back here. Very, very nice space. Passenger rear seat, once again, just no major wear. You know, a couple little smudges here or there, but nothing out of the ordinary for an 8-9-year-old truck. And the passenger side seat, it's in great shape. A little bit of light creasing here on the edge, but that's just typical for leather. One small little smudge here that would probably wipe off. Other than that, great shape. Once again, your WeatherTech floor mat. We'll go ahead and pop the hood so we can take a look under there. .7 Powerstroke diesel. This is such a great motor. Ford had such terrible problems with the 6.0 and the 6.4 before this. They finally built it right in 2011. They built an engine that does what you want a heavy-duty truck to do. It's reliable, it's extremely powerful, it's quiet, it's smooth, it's fairly fuel efficient, and just a great powertrain. Very, very clean and straightforward under the hood here. Motorcraft batteries, no aftermarket wires or crazy things going on. Very, very nice. All the fluids and you know, oil, transmission, coolant, all that looks great. Everything topped off, clear and full. So it was just serviced at the Ford dealer, and just really stand up underneath the hood here. So if this truck is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Brad and Miles Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years. I'm Miles Beckman, I'm the general manager, and we would look forward to serving you, whether it's on this truck or something else you may have of interest. Find us on our website, eaglecareautos.com. Find us on Facebook. Find us on our YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. This is a nice truck. Really, I mean, I just can't say enough. It just really is a stand-up truck. Will not disappoint. It's been upgraded the way people want it. Nice tires, upgraded shocks, interior, exterior, all the way around. So, thanks so much for watching. We look forward to serving you if we can, and let us know how we can help.